My Spoken English 4.2 Unit 1.
Speak right. Your accent is your asset.
Spot the difference, A and I. We've spent some time contrasting minimal pairs. That is, we paid attention to the differences between two sounds. We concentrated on consonants and monophthongs. Monophthongs are vowel symbols with only one letter or symbol.
Speak right. Your accent is your asset.
Now, we'll start contrasting diphthongs. Diphthongs are two vowel symbols or letters that make two sounds. One clear sound and one faint sound. Many of the diphthongs sound alike because they share one sound in common. For example, A and I have the sound I in common, but the beginning sounds are different. As part of a diphthong, the sound I is produced as I.
Speak right. Your accent is your asset.
Did you notice that sounds that make the difference between A and I are E and A? Both sounds are said clearly, but the sound that they share, I, is not said clearly.
Let's differentiate between the two sounds, A and I. First, we'll say the sounds, then we will differentiate them with minimal pairs. Minimal pairs are words that are different just by one sound. A, I, A, I, A, I. Now, let's go to the world of examples and see some minimal pairs that will help us see the difference between the sounds A and I.
Spot the difference between the following word pairs: raid, ride, gay, guy, bail, bile, braid, bride, fail, file, frayed, fried, ale, aisle, pay, pie, day, die. Speak right. Your accent is your asset.
People of Africa, hear me.
People are becoming more and more ungrateful. Many adults find it difficult to say thank you. And this is affecting children too. Do you know how to say thank you? Do you know when to say thank you? You should always say thank you whenever you're receiving something from others, your parents, all the people, and your friends. This is a good way to show we are thankful or grateful. Speak right. Your accent is your asset.